The National Cadet Corps is moving beyond urban institutions to rural and remote areas. The plan was highlighted during the Ncc Northeastern Region Annual Awards held in Shillong. Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Wailat Mikishala stressed the importance of youth in nation building, noting that nearly 59% of the state's population is under 25. Ncc Additional Director General Anurag Vik called for greater participation, urging parents and institutions to support Ncc enrollment. He highlighted unique opportunities like performing at Kartavya Path as key experiences for cadets. The awards recognized top cadets and institutions from across the Northeast. Rifinis Warjri won Best Senior Wing Cadet for Meghalaya, while Tushar Dey from Assam and Nei Holing Longum from Manipur received Northeastern Region Best Cadet honours. With the state government partnering with Ncc, the expansion into rural areas is expected to boost youth development and promote national integration.
The Ncc Northeastern region for having this program in Shillong itself. I think it will boost morale and give encouragement to our youth to join Ncc, and at the same time, and as you all know, as have mentioned in my speech, that Meghalaya is a very young state. 59% of the population is below the age of 25 years. So we expect that our youth to join NCC and to contribute in building the nation. That so I'm very happy to see. And then just before this, I just saw the presentation of the band, all girls band. So I'm really impressed, and I will, with hope, and we were discussing with our ADG that we'll try our best to send them to Delhi for the Republic Day parade. So and then at the same time we were discussing with ADG that how we should expand. We should reach, especially the rural areas, to the schools and different school colleges to encourage our youth to join NCC. Because right now, as I can see, that I think most of the camp or this the most of the school and colleges are from the town and cities. So I want to see that the NCC should reach the rural areas of the state of Meghalaya. So we have a plan. So very soon, even the DG also is coming to Shillong. So we will sit and we will work together how we can expand the enrollment of the NCC in the rural areas.
Today was a culmination of 1 year of training. Uh, Northeastern region comprises of all the seven sisters. Headquarter is based in Shillong. Today we did prize distribution to the best institutions in all seven states, like best in Meghalaya, best in Manipur, Mizoram, and also overall best in Northeastern. And cadets, the schools and colleges who were there, we did prize distribution for them. Now the aim of this is twofold. One of us first is to give recognition to the children and the schools who have supported NCC in the last year. Secondly is also to get children in different states so they can see. Now today we have children from Manipur who have come to Shillong. We have people from Nagaland who is here. These children, when they roam around in Meghalaya, they see these places, they will come to know how vast firstly India is, secondly North is, how diverse it is. And when they go back home, they'll become messengers to their home state for Meghalaya.
Okay, Jayan, everyone. My name is Rifindas Wadri from Meghalaya, and I'm from 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. And today I received this award as the best SW cadet for Meghalaya, and it's truly an inspiration, and it's truly make me more confident and the courage to move more further. And I'm very grateful for the NCC for giving me this opportunity to represent. I'm also the youngest ever sir from Meghalaya, representing the National Cadet Corps and also representing India to the international to Mount Everest expedition. Going to Mount Everest was also selected by the top tens all over India to represent India to the international to Mount Everest expedition. So it's truly grateful that the NCC have given us this opportunity to experience such adventures, especially to the youth and the cadets from all over India to get the chance to go more further for these adventures and many discipline as well. So I believe that this will be inspiration to all the youths that there's nothing that we cannot do. Be believe in ourselves, have courage, be confident, and everything will be possible if we.
I'm from Manipur, but I do my NCC in Guwahati, Bibarwa College. As My journey in NCC has been truly amazing. I was clueless about NCC at first, but when I joined, I started to learn about the exposure that NCC has provided. From sailing camp, I have joined, and after that, I have gone for no Sainik camp, and then the RDC, Republic Day camp 2026. It has been a great journey from selection and training, from months and months of trainings, and through all these games. I think we were getting this NER Best Cadet from the SW. I think this has been a rewarding for me, and I truly, I could say I truly deserve it.
So I have represent the northeastern region in Republic Day camp, which is held in Delhi 2025, and also I have the part of youth exchange program, which is in Mauritius 2026, and this is the award which I got today as a best cadet in Meghalaya. So it will be influence me in the future where I for to look after a better uh, like better job or the about the confidence in the future. And also I would like to see that after the few years or after the 5 years I am like my CO, I will want to wear the uniform as well.
SCO Tushar, Senior Under Officer Tushar, and I I am from Guwahati Group, Vanasam Battalion NCC. So I am really very privileged and honored to receive this award. I have received today. I have been awarded as the NER Best Cadet Award, and I have represented the northeastern region in All India Thalsani Camp 2025, in the Indian Military Academy Attachment Camp 2025, and the Advanced Leadership Camp in 2024. And to be honest, I'm really very lucky. I feel that I have joined NCC, and I will tell everyone through the help of media that they should all the youth of this country all should come and join the National Cadet Corps, so that they can live the best life a youth can ever live. And with